Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. This is Nasa CX Beauty, and today we are going to be unboxing the June 2020 Boxyluxe. This is the box. This month's Boxyluxe theme was Boxycharm Oasis. My paper is a little crumbled, but I did get variation number 10, just for reference. So the first item in my Boxyluxe this month is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. This retails for $24, and I did use it earlier. When I was using it, I actually didn't feel bad. Like, after using this, my face felt really nice and ready for makeup. And as I was using it, the consistency was very foamy, very beautiful. My face actually felt like it was being cleaned. So I am looking forward to using this in my skincare regimen. A little bit about the face wash. It's a face wash infused with nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. It's a gentle formula and helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup for fresh and bright complexion. And I definitely feel like after one use, I definitely felt all those effects. So I'm looking forward to using that, and I'll update if I get any like adverse effects. The second item in my box was the Pur Lisse Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. This is She. I have her on my face right now. She retails for $35. Okay, my face right now looks really good, but it took work to get here. I had a lot of concealer on because as I was putting this on, I realized that it was a very sheer coverage, and in the little, you know, blurb that Boxycharm writes, it says that it has coverage, sunscreen, and benefits of a foundation and a BB cream. So I thought it would have more coverage, but it did not cover my hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. So I definitely don't think I'll be using this, but I'm not gonna lie, my face actually does look good right now. So plus $35, I don't know about that. The next item in my box is the Lilly Lashes XXX Mascara. This retails for $24, and I did use it on my eyelashes today. It definitely did, you know, put that volume in, a little bit of a curl, but one of the shortcomings is that it didn't really add length to my lashes, and I do like, you know, mascaras that give me length, and I am in love with my Lash Paradise, so sadly I don't think this does as well as my Lash Paradise. But a little bit about this is it's supposed to be extra lengthening and extra volumizing and extra bold. Tapered with a fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. It definitely did do well in the volume part, but I definitely don't see too much in the length department. And for $24, I'm gonna stick to my Lash Paradise. The next item in my box is the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. This is her. These are the shades in the back. This retails for $49, but I learned my lesson with Tarte, and I've come to the conclusion that I just don't like Tarte eyeshadows, so I'm not going to open this. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Hopefully whoever wins this will love it more than I will. I am done trying out Tarte. The next thing in my box is the Gua Sha sculptor. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this retails for $32. I picked this as my choice because I didn't want anything else that was in the choice, and I don't know how to use this, but luckily there's instructions, so I do know how to use this. You need to put face oil and then go in and hard, going like this way, this way, on your neck, and on your forehead you go like ba, ba, and ba. So I am looking forward to using this, and it's a little cool contraption, but if it didn't have the directions, I wouldn't know what to do with this, and it's hella expensive for $32. The next thing in my box is the $1 Billion Brushes Charcoal Brush Set. This is it. It has 5 brushes in it. I am not going to keep this. I'm going to also put this in a giveaway. So far we have 2 things for a future giveaway. This retails for $55. So that's like, oh, I don't know. That's like $11. That's like $11 per brush. The next thing in my box is the Pur Heels Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. And this is she. I'm going to open her up because I am going to keep this one. I look forward to using it. It smells good and it looks like honey. But this retails for $55, so it better do some magic overnight, and it does come with a little spatula. It's a sleeping mask that provides full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. It forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated and sensitive skin, so I am looking forward to using this mask. And then the last thing in my box are the Bodyography Professional Cosmetics Lip Pencil 2-pack. This is her. It has 2 pencils in here and it retails for $28. So these are lip liners. So this is one and this is in the shade Pouty. And then this is number 2. This is in the shade Rosewood. Those are really cute and very much up my alley. However, I do feel like they're pretty similar to the lip liners that we got in the past. I'm just going to swatch these. This one is the Illamasqua lip liner in Media. And then this is the other one in Lust. Oh, they're not too similar, but I don't need that many lip liners. I don't know. This is the second time that I've gotten a 2-pack of lip liners from Boxycharm. I could have done without this, to be honest. I shouldn't have used it, but... Okay, so that was everything in my box, and the total retail value for my Boxyluxe this month was $302, which is hella crazy. I definitely feel like this and this swayed the retail value up, and I am kind of excited for a few of these. I have 2 for a giveaway, but overall, am I super excited about the box? No. I don't know. I feel like everything's just going down with Boxycharm, but I am very grateful that the retail value is so high, and I am super excited about like trying things out. But like I've said multiple times that I do not like Tarte eyeshadows, and I write that in my reviews for Boxycharm, and they always send me Tarte eyeshadows, so that's one thing that's kind of irritating. And yeah, that was this month's box. That is all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.